Ready to ditch the outdated business cards and step into the digital world with a killer real estate website that actually attracts clients? This video is your express lane to building a professional and effective real estate website using WordPress. Even if you're a complete beginner, first things first, you'll need web hosting and a domain name. Think of it as your website's home and address on the internet. I recommend Bluehost because they offer seamless WordPress integration and often include a free domain for the first year. Once you're set up with hosting, install WordPress. Most hosting providers offer a one-click install option now. Log into your WordPress dashboard. This is where the magic happens next. We need a theme, your website's visual style. Head over to Appearance and then Themes. Explore the free themes in the WordPress directory or invest in a premium theme specifically designed for real estate. Look for themes with features like property listings, search filters, and agent profiles. I'm going to select a real estate theme for this video. Once you find a theme you love, click Install and then Activate. Now it is time to install plugins. These are like apps for your website, extending its functionality. Some essential plugins for real estate include a property listing plugin, a contact form plugin like Contact Form 7, and an SEO plugin like Yoast SEO. Navigate to Plugins and then Add New to search for and install plugins. Click Install and then Activate for each one. Now, let's create some content. This is what will attract and engage your visitors. Start with your homepage. Create pages for property listings, About Us, Contact, and Blog. Go to Pages and then Add New to create your pages. Use clear, concise language and high-quality images to showcase your properties and expertise. Now let's talk SEO, or search engine optimization. This helps people find your website on Google. Use your SEO plugin to optimize each page and post with relevant keywords. These are the words people type into Google when searching for properties or real estate. Agents focus on local keywords like your city or neighborhood to attract potential clients in your area. Remember to make your website mobile-friendly. Most modern themes are responsive, meaning they adapt to different screen sizes. Test your website on different devices to ensure a seamless user experience. Now, all that is left to do is launch your website and actively create content on your real estate blog.